All right, so tell us your name.
My name is Aiden Kirk. I'm 18 years old. I raced in the GR Cup Series and qualified P13 today. Best qualifiers I've had yet. Looking for a top 10 finish.
Okay. Race 2 is later today?
Yes, sir. At
okay.
12:05.
12:05. Good luck.
Yes, sir.
Good luck. And this is the car. You can get some wide shots of it.
Learn my lesson too many times. Make sure you stay hydrated as well, especially if you have in front over there in the fan zone. But we appreciate you all coming out of this across the way there. It's a beautiful thing to have race fans here.
Oh, he's got the ad on the back?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we'll definitely get that. He let us sign the car, which is super sick. There's a ton of signatures here if you guys can see it, which is super awesome. He's letting people sign it. We're over here at their trailer. Let's see. There's the at Aiden Kirk.
Birmingham is the
Trina's kids.
city here for us.
Get that. There we go. All right, so make sure you guys go follow, like, comment. Everybody give a good thumbs up in the chat for Aiden. Good luck today, man. Thank you for letting us on the car. Appreciate that. Thank you. You as well.
Thank you.
Jamie's getting some more.
Yeah, I gotta grab
I'm signing around with the Continental. I'm doing it for DWR.
This is when that strategy works out.
You want me to hold it? Yes, I can do that.
I'll sign it right over the Continental.
One more trip and let one to the backside of the racetrack just to maybe check those track conditions. I can anticipate the next few minutes, whether it's this lap or next, we'll be back underway. Yeah, so happy that we are back on. We're going to be back on our way to get some cruise here at Barber Motorsports Park.
Let's go find that horse.
Hey, you're fine, man.
Ludo se especializa en
Yes, sir. You got a page? Yeah, I got a Instagram and just started a YouTube channel.
So I'm in the same boat.
Okay. What's your content on?
So it's called Real Talk Cars.
Say it again?
Real Talk Cars.
Real Talk Cars? Okay. Hey, okay. Shout it out.
Oh yeah, Real Talk Cars on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Real Talk Cars, cars with a Z.
Let's see. It's always good to see other brothers at the race.
Oh, 100%.
Oh, it's fire, man.
Now look out for each other.
guys, so we're inside the Barber Motorsports Park Museum. This is, Jamie's here with me again. I lost him, but I found him. This is the largest collection of motorcycles that's on display in the world. One of the really cool things about this collection is that 90% of the vehicles inside this collection can run and drive within about 90 minutes inside the shop, for them just to add fluids to them, charge the battery, swap the battery out, whatever that might be, and then they will all crank up and they can drive them on the track. 90% of them, so a lot of them are actually roadworthy, which is insane. I will show you guys some shots of this. We're about to go out on the track right now because the race is about to start. Oh, hold on. We gotta do some work here. No, the fingerprints are on the inside. No, they're not. They're not. We're good. All right, I had to put the nitro density filter back on because it's way brighter outside than it is inside. Yeah, so today is special because the fact that this is not like a super major race in the schedule, so they are allowing just anybody who buys a museum ticket for the day to come out onto the bridge. Normally you do have to have a membership in order to get out on the bridge during a race. With the bigger races, that is how it works. So
so I didn't even need to re-up my membership?
Yeah, you didn't need to re-up your membership because there's usually someone at the door making like telling you can't go out if you don't have a, if you don't have a membership. But today there was no one there. They didn't give you a wristband to show that you're a member, so it's whatever. I bought a membership for no reason.
Yeah, same. $66.
Yeah, $60 that I'm gonna use throughout the rest of the next year.
And
we will be back.
$12.
True.
To get in.
I didn't have to pay $12 to get in, but I did pay $60. So,
My card, man.
yeah. So wait, this is the cool thing about this place is that's the track. There's like little pieces of glass in that bridge we just came over where you can watch the cars drive directly under you, which is just insanity. I'll get some shots of that during the race.
Plus, if you got nice shoes, you can get a picture of a race car with your shoes.
With your shoes, yeah. A race car with your shoes in it, which is pretty wild. The really cool thing about this bridge section and like going out here where the track is that it is really like a botanical garden. It is very much like very scenic. There's art pieces, there's like a little waterfall, there's just a lot of really cool stuff going on. You can get real close to the track. You're gonna see one of these shots up here where we're gonna watch the start of the race from. I mean, you can almost like reach out and touch the cars with the exception of like a 30-foot height difference between you and the track. But it is just quite intense, and it's loud, and it's awesome. It's absolutely awesome.
Don't forget, we gotta go see Georgina.
Yes, yes, we have to see Georgina. We have to.
See how she's doing.
Wait! I found Sasquatch. There he is. Let's see if I can zoom in without losing too much brightness. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know if these ponds have koi fish like the other one does. I don't think so.
Like down there at the bottom of the waterfall, in
Yeah.
the like long section of koi fish.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
like
here's
up here.
here's the waterfall.
Yeah, this is a great place. If you're
This
a
is-
fan of art, if you're a fan of vegetation, if you're a fan of motorcycles, if you're a fan of race cars, it's pretty fucking sick.
Yes, yes, very well said. Very well said. And unfortunately, it is like, the end of the summer, so a lot of these plants are no longer blooming. They're starting to die off. When we came here for IndyCar,
Man, yeah, spring.
oh my goodness, in spring it was absolutely gorgeous out here. Every single plant was fruiting, they were blooming, it was beautiful. We walked through here and we saw the Porsche Cup car race. We saw the Cayman Cup car race. That was after the Indy race, so I didn't have a membership at the time, so we didn't get to come out here during Indy. But after Indy, they ran some smaller races and they allowed people to come out here. But like, more art.
That's one of my favorites right there, actually.
Really?
Yes. The Panther, I mean, that's just so sick,
Yeah.
dude. And of course you got random things like the gazebo down there.
Oh yeah, the gazebo. I don't know if you can see it on camera, guys, but there is like a little gazebo down there where you can sit and you can see the cars come down that straightaway right there. I mean, this facility is easily one of the greatest facilities in racing. It's just
care was put into this place.
a lot of thoughtfulness.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, like just
Like you gotta appreciate that.
absolutely, absolutely. You have to appreciate that. And then, I mean, they have great races all year. Track days, museum events are awesome. You can. They do a lemons race here. They do. We will definitely be back for some museum events. Now that I have the membership, that is something that we will partake in. So now we're up on the main part of the track. So let's show you guys. Yeah, this is the corner that I was talking about. They came around there. Dude hit. Hold on. You guys see this?
Oh, you need to get a shot when the cars are just like zooming underneath.
Oh yeah, we will. Like, oh no, I'm gonna fall through. Yeah, that corner is sketchy. It's low-key terrifying. Yeah, so we're here. We're here. Just, oh. It's almost a 360-degree view of the track, which is bananas. We're just in here, walking around. Oh shit, that's why. Hold on, guys. Whoa, there we go. Walking back here, like, I just want you guys to see. Guys, Jamie and I. Oh man, Jamie and I are just having a blast. We met up with Q. I don't know if I said that already. I did find Q. Q's gonna come on the ride along with us, so we'll get some camera footage of him in a little bit. Me and Jamie are out here shooting photos.
Yes, sir.
We're out here on the bridges, watching these cars come by. I think we're about to get some cars right here. Let's see if we can get them in the shot. Keep walking, I'll catch up. Okay. Let's see. This might be the cover of the YouTube title. If I can get a shot with the here they come, here they come, here they come. Right there. I mean, I think this one is meant to fit. It's like the little white. I wouldn't mind about that water. I have bottles of water in the car. If they're not hot, I'm gonna drink those. Oh, I forgot they're. Okay, yeah, let's go with that. Guys, this is by far the coolest museum in the world. I know I've said it already. I'm gonna say it like 20 more times. This is better than the High Museum, better than the Guggenheim, better than the MoMA, better than whatever, the Versailles, whatever's in Paris. Who gives a fuck about the Mona Lisa, bro? There's all these motorcycles, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, just look at them. This is pure insanity.
Spree down there. Ever since that dad fruit on that car, Paul Newman.
Oh, I think he did say that. And one of the podcasts.